As Russia relies heavily on electronic warfare to try and disrupt Ukraine's intel and communication, these becomes important target as each lost system increases Ukraine's upper hand in surveillance and situational awareness. As this Leer-2 system was spotted, meant to jam and suppress radio signals, the Ukrainian drone followed it, waiting for it to become stationary. As the vehicle stopped next to a dirt road, the target's coordinates were sent back to a HIMARS system, sending a GMLRS rocket to hit perfectly, destroying the fragile system, making sure another of Russia's electronic warfare system is taken out, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.